Once upon a time, there was a curious moonfish named Moonfish who loved to use his electronic device during lessons. He thought he could multitask, but he soon realized that it was distracting him from learning. When his teacher caught him, he felt ashamed and learned his lesson. From that day on, Moonfish put away his device and focused on his studies. He soon became a star student and taught his friends the importance of paying attention in class. And they all lived happily ever after, with their grades shining bright like the moon. The end.